Have I got a fun one for you today? This is magnetic chess, and this is so cool. Literally sets up in seconds. Super competitive. It's a game where you can definitely use some strategy. So what's included in the box? You get the instructions right here. You get a little bag to hold your magnets if you need it, or the rope. You get the rope. This is your game board right here. So what I like to do is leave it untied, because depending on the game, I'll give you a close-up look here. Depending on the game, you either can make the rope smaller or bigger. You can do 1 to 4 players. You get all of the magnetic stones here. Okay. When you're playing with 2 players, each player is going to get 7. That's typically the way that I like to play, but we'll give you a close-up look. All right, so as you see, here's your game board. Like I said, I like to leave it untied because then I can change it. So let's say this is my game board. Okay, so the yellow string, and then you take turns playing. And it is, when you're 2 players, it's 10 of the magnets a piece. Okay, so you just take turns, laying the magnetic rocks down. So each person would ideally take turns. And the person who gets rid of their magnets first is the winner. So as you see, if this is going back and forth between 2 players, and I mean, this game can go pretty fast. Ooh. You know, you lay a rock down. Oh, and look, the person who laid that down then has to take that out. And then they have all of those to start with. So it's back to the same thing. You're going to go back and forth, and so on and so forth. So really cool, awesome game. Portable, take it anywhere, would make a great gift, especially if you've got those competitive people in your family. Fun, easy game. Anyone can play.